How to copy trades on the Copy by Trade Taurex app. So load up the application, click on Discover at the bottom here and select the person in which you wish to copy the trades for. So I'm going to click the person at the top here, and you can see all of the details about this person, the profitability, the markets that they trade, etc. And you can have a read through and you can have a look at their return history as well. This person looks great and I wish to copy him. I click on Copy here. And from here you have the options. This is basically where you can choose your risk size that you're comfortable with. This here is just show at the top here is showing you your performance. Your trade size is what you need to select. So cent accounts behave differently to standard accounts. So it is advised not to use proportional by equity or mirror master trade size. So none of these two options ideally, and you do so at your own risk. So let's say we want to go proportional by balance and click OK. We can also decide here to round up to the minimum trade size, and also we can copy their existing trades they've got on. So I'll select both those options. Whenever you're happy, click Agree and Copy. Confirm that you've read and understood the above statements and the terms and conditions, and click OK. Again, you'll get another warning that's popped up. To confirm you're happy with the risk, click OK. And you can see it says success. Your application to auto copy record breaker is complete. It may take a few minutes while your account is enabled. You can manage your risk by tapping the max drawdown option. So you can choose your max drawdown on there as well. Anyway, so if you click on copies at the bottom here, this is where you'll basically be able to see your open and closed trades. And this is where you're able to edit your trades as well. You'll be able to either edit your trade or close the position manually itself. If you do choose to edit, you can only adjust the stop loss and take profit limits.